Welcome to the Insider's Guide to Custom Homes, where experience meets inspiration. I'm Rick Bell, founder of Landmark Custom Homes, and for more than 4 decades, I've built hundreds of custom and semi-custom residences across South Florida. I created this podcast to help you navigate the road to building your dream home, a journey I like to call the road less traveled. This series is for anyone thinking about building a custom home, entering the construction industry, or simply fascinated by how homes are designed and brought to life. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy cottage or a 10,000 square foot legacy estate, you're in the right place. Each week, we'll dig into the process from concept to keys in hand, from trades and materials to contracts and maintenance. And I promise we'll do it without the boring jargon or industry fluff. I've seen it all: the beautiful, the unexpected, and the downright bizarre in home building. I want to share those stories and the lessons that came with them to help you avoid common pitfalls and make smart decisions. This podcast will give you clear insights into the home building process, real talk about what custom really means, guidance on assembling your dream team of professionals, and tips to protect your budget, timeline, and sanity. We'll explore the roles of the architect, the engineers, designers, and the builder. What makes a good site, a good contract, and a good builder. How to translate your vision into reality, one smart move at a time. To begin, let's explore the types of builders you're likely to encounter. Production builders are typically large national or regional companies. You'll find them in planned unit developments, also known as PUDs, like those built by Toll Brothers, Lennar, and GL Homes. These communities come with model homes, online pricing, and a streamlined selection process. Think plug-and-play home building. They often include homeowners associations, or HOAs, which offer uniformity and structure, and sometimes a bit too much of it. From paint colors to parking restrictions, HOAs can be both your best friend and worst enemy. Semi-custom builders offer more choices. You might start with a base plan and select upgrades like a pool, a bonus room, or high-end finishes. In South Florida, you'll find companies like CC Homes building upscale neighborhoods where buyers get flexibility without going fully custom. Let's talk about custom builders. This is where my passion lies. A custom home is a blank canvas. It's designed from scratch, just for you, often on a lot you choose. These homes are fully tailored in layout, features, finishes, and locations. It's the ultimate luxury, but also the biggest challenge. Vision must align with budget, timeline, and your team. And that's where we begin, pre-construction. Pre-construction is your foundation. It's where dreams turn into plans. For this phase, you'll need an architect to translate your vision, a builder to guide feasibility and costs, a realtor to find the land and navigate due diligence, and an interior designer, yes, this early on, for layout and furnishings. And possibly a landscape architect who can provide input for your pool, driveway, and other hardscapes. There will also be secondary players like structural engineers and mechanical designers who are usually brought on board by your architect. You may not be aware of who they are, but eventually they'll play into the structure and design of your home. Your realtor will help you locate and assess the right home site. Good realtors understand local markets and zoning laws and can spot red flags early. You'll hear me use the term due diligence a lot. That's the investigative work that helps you know exactly what you're buying. Is it buildable? Are there easements, hidden wetlands, setback issues? These can make or break your project, so doing your homework early is essential. Your architect is the visionary. A great architect will listen first and then sketch. They'll know how to align your style with your budget and local building codes. A not-so-great architect, they can turn your dream into a costly Frankenstein house that doesn't sync with your needs or your budget. Your builder brings practicality and price sense. They'll help you understand construction costs and advise your architect on what works and what breaks the budget. In this process, I am usually referred to as the budget police. The designer brings life and comfort to the space. Interior layout, furniture flow, window placement all benefit from their eye early in the game. And don't forget hardscape. The pools, driveways, outdoor kitchens, and walkways should integrate with your home, not come as an afterthought. Once your team is in place, be honest about your budget. Hiding your real number only leads to misalignment. Transparency keeps the design efficient and costs realistic, and the build on track. When building your team, I recommend interviewing at least 3 professionals per role. Look for strong portfolios, good chemistry, and experience in your home style and scale. Ask for references, visit past projects, read reviews. Your team is your backbone. Get it right from the start. Now that you have your dream team in place, what's next? We'll cover construction and post-construction in upcoming episodes. You'll learn what goes into contracts, how to read a construction schedule, and what happens during your final walkthrough. We will also talk about the trades and specifications that will be needed to create your dream home. Every episode includes a glossary in the show notes. Confused by allowances, lien laws, or mechanical plans? We've got you covered. If you found this episode helpful, subscribe and share it with someone who wants to build smarter. I'm Rick Bell, and this is The Insider's Guide to Custom Homes. Let's build your masterpiece the Landmark way. Stay tuned. The journey has just begun.